just to clarify that last point there, uh, queer and transgender type discourses uh, or are oftentimes very skeptical of philosophy, of philosophizing, because they see philosophy as being part of Western culture and its hegemonic ideological approach to things, right? So, uh, philosophy can be seen as one of the discourses that has actually imprisoned or colonized uh, other sort of identities and other realities that don't fit into a very monist or dualist type perspective. So that's the sort of what's at stake here. Does philosophy or does philosophizing work in order to explore the things that she is exploring, right? The transhumanistic ideas. Does it work for us as readers, right? Uh, and also, do we think that it's necessary to have a philosophical basis uh, in order to change the world in a political way or in a very concrete way? So those are the basic opening comments. Let's turn to the text itself. I'll just give you sort of a quick read through of my annotated text here, highlight some of the aspects uh, that you might want to look at that are key to seminar uh, 11.2. So in this first part here, this is an introduction. This is not the dialogue itself. So this is from the people who framed the argument. They're the interviewers, right? And so they give this little introduction to just sort of give you like a table of contents of what she's talking about, and to give a little bit of clarity on the things that she talks about. Although I would say in the dialogue itself, she's extremely clear with what she's trying to go after here, right? So anyway, this first part here is just an introduction, gives you good sort of language and good sort of ways of organizing Judith Butler's philosophy and thought, right? Um, and a lot of this stuff we'll see later. I'll just highlight a few things here. So here on the left, uh, they start to talk about this idea of gender trouble, right? So this is uh, Judith Butler's famous sort of text,